Hello everyone, hello guys. I'm about to check out of my room here in Livingstone, Zambia. So I'm leaving my hotel room now after my 1 week stay in Livingstone, Zambia for the Zamren conference. So the conference went very well. So the presentations were nice for the 3 days. So we had dinner sessions, we had a lot of varieties like get-togethers and all, where participants stayed around to have fun and enjoy the whole conference. So I saw a lot of different animals. I'm seeing wild animals for the first time. Can you imagine that? So animals I've never seen before in my life, like giraffes, I saw zebras, I saw antelopes, elephants, and so on, right? So it was indeed an experience for me here in Zambia. So just take a look at my hotel room. So this is my bed, right? Sorry, it looks a little rough, but it's not been made by those who are supposed to fix the room yet. So I'm about to check out now. That's TV sets, right? And this is a chair where I used to work. This is my chair, and I place my laptop here and I work. This is the table lamp. This is the mirror with which I view myself and see how I'm looking for the day and all. And this is my tea point where I make my tea. Can you guys see that? Oh, let me move it up a little. Can you guys see now? Yeah, these are my teacups. This is the water kettle and the flask. And this is an alternative table and a chair, a sofa, just in case you want to maybe relax a little and do your work here, other than this other table here, right? So you can just sit over here and then do whatever it is you want to do. And then if you don't feel like lying on the bed, you can just lie here on the sofa and do whatever you want to do. And then there's a lamp here, bedside lamp. You can just turn this on. Yep, and it comes on, turn it off, and it goes off. All right, we also have the bed has a net to it, beautiful net, just in case there are mosquitoes. So you can always use it to cover yourself. There's a landline or an intercom with which you can reach the reception, just in case you need anything, right? And also here's my wardrobe. When you open it, the light comes on. See how beautiful it is? And then these are my hangers. It's empty now because I have taken out all my stuff. So now let me take you guys to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. That's the bathroom mirror. This is where you take a bath, the bathtub. That's the toilet seats. And then if you don't feel like using the bathtub, you can always come in here for your shower. A beautiful place it is. These are the towels and a big lamp here, So it was indeed a wonderful experience here in Livingstone, Zambia. I saw the waterfalls, like the massive waterfalls with water dropping from very high points, right? Literally high point. And then the water was just pouring down. I'll share the videos with you and the pictures. So see you, bye.